My name is Joshua Pearson.
My name is Greg Bryan.
Co-founders of Pep Rally Inc. So Pep Rally Inc. is a creative team that's multidisciplinary. So we have digital designers, we have painters, we have fabricators. We all wear a lot of different hats and have a lot of different skill sets for creating multiple types of artwork. Some of them large-scale murals, some of them are fabricated sculptural things, and then some are more refined fine art pieces that become installations in corporate headquarters or private businesses. The things that we're creating are never for us. It's always for the people that are going to experience it. So if a mural's in a specific neighborhood, it should speak to the history of that neighborhood. It should speak to the people that live in that neighborhood currently. It should speak to the people that have historically been in that neighborhood. So it should inspire the next generations and then bring joy or thoughtfulness to the people that are experiencing it, and then also honor the people that live there beforehand. We love being a Tampa-based business. We've always been based in Tampa. Tampa has been absolutely wonderful to us. We've been welcomed with open arms. We've been intertwined with so many different types of business, and I think that's what makes Tampa so exciting. So it's we have tourism, we have athletics, we have food industry and culinary industry. So it's a really exciting, diverse place to be. So to have a wide range of businesses here and different types of culture allows us to get into a lot of different things.
To have a business with what we do, to be able to communicate and build with restaurants and hotels and large-scale developments and master planning during this era is it's really exciting.